Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's tutorial guys, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba umutang or manghiram ng load sa Smart. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, pupunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating mobile phone. So tap lang natin yung dial. So para lang tayong magko-call dito. Then after dito sa dial guys, i-dial lang natin ay asterisk 123 number sign. Then dial lang natin. Then after nyan guys, dito naman is pipiliin lang natin dito yung number 9. So tatype natin yung number 9. So yun yung balance and services. So tap natin yung send kapag okay na. And dito naman guys, number 2 yung pipiliin natin, balance and services ulit. So tap na natin yung send kapag na-type niyo na yung number 2. Then dito naman is hanapin nyo yung utang na load. So number 4 yung nakalagay sa tapat niya. So type natin yung number 4. Then tap natin ulit yung send. So ayan guys, after naman dito, type lang natin yung number 1. Then tap send. So, ito guys, yung mga pwede nating utangin kay Smart. So, nakalagay dito is pwede daw yung 10 peso load, pwede yung data, call and text, or pwede lang tayong mag-check ng loan balance. So, pwede din nating ma-check yung loan balance natin dito kung meron ba tayong existing na loan balance. So, for example guys, manghiram lang ako ng data. So, number 2 yung pipiliin ko since nakatapat siya sa data. So, type number 2, then send. And ayan guys, meron tayong dalawang pamimilian dito regarding sa utang na data. So, pwede tayong manghiram ng 200 MB, 100 MB for FB or FB Messenger. So, ang pipiliin ko na lang dito guys is yung number 1. So, yung 200 MB yung hihiramin ko. So, tinype ko lang yung number 1, then tap send. So, sabi dito guys, is ang mahihiram daw natin is 200 MB. Valid siya for 1 day, starting today. And automatic guys, kapag nag-load tayo ng 10 pesos, madideduct siya sa ating balance. So, kapag okay na guys, tap natin yung number 1, then send. So, ayan guys, nakalagay is, thank you, a text confirmation will be sent shortly. So, sabi okay na daw, i-check lang natin yung text message kasi magta-text sila kapag okay na yung hiram natin na load. So, ayan guys, kung makikita nyo naman, pumasok na siya, Smart Load. So, ayan lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba umutang ng load sa Smart. If you have a question, click comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.